Hello again! I really appreciate you being here with me today. As we continue on our journey of long vowel sounds, it's time to visit the long I sound. How have you been finding the long vowel sounds so far? I'd love to hear your experiences. You can comment below the video to let me know how you're doing, what you think of the videos, if you have any questions, or if there is a specific video that you'd like me to create that would help you in your learning journey. The long I sound, similar to other long vowel sounds, makes the sound of the name it was given in the alphabet. However, even for long vowel sounds, the long I sound is simple because it's a word on its own, and therefore most people have a lot of experience with using it. Just because it's a common sound, however, doesn't mean that we can ignore it. In fact, if this is a sound that you're struggling with, that makes it all the more important to get it right. So, how do we form the long I sound? Much like the long A sound, the long I sound is characterized by being a two-sound vowel. That means that we need to move our mouth while making the sound to make it correctly. At the beginning, our lower jaw drops to create an open mouth. At this time, our tongue is low in the mouth and touches the lower teeth on the side and front, while being held in the bottom of our mouth. As we say the sound, we slightly close our jaw while moving our tongue upwards until it is nearly touching the top of our mouth in a similar position to the Y sound. By the end of the sound, our tongue should actually be touching the sides of our upper teeth. A key word that we can use to check our pronunciation of the letter I is ivy. Let's try it together. Ivy. I. Great work. Now we get to learn all of the wonderful ways that the long I sound is spelt in English, because, of course, it would be too easy to simply have it spelt as an I. In English, we can expect to see the long I sound spelt as a regular I, even by itself with the meaning of myself. We can also expect to see it spelt I consonant E as in ride, IGH as in sigh, Y as in my, IE as in pie, or even Y consonant E as in type. As with the other long vowel sounds, we can expect to hear the long I sound regardless of how it is spelt at the beginning, middle, or end of words. Let's get some practice in. I. Icicle. Idea. Identity. Itinerary. Idle. Item. Irony. Icon. Icing. Pilot. Bike. 5. Fine. Fight. Cried. Rhyme. Wide. Pride. Fire. High. Pie. My. Spy. Why. alumni, reply, tie, July, fly. Excellent work! How about trying a sentence? Why do flies spy alumni in July while they bike by my high prize? Why do flies spy alumni in July while they bike by my high prize? Although it can be confusing which sound to say based on spelling, the nice part about the long I sound is that it is common enough that most people are familiar with the pronunciation. Feel free to watch this video as many times as you need to feel comfortable with the long I sound. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you next time on ESL Universe.